So my dad gave me 20 bucks to spend in this craft store for our next crafts. So let's go. First thing you're gonna get is some acrylic paint. We have 6 colors, and I think we're all set. Geez, 17 down.
He thinks that's not. I said it's gonna. That's pretty. Oh my god.
Number 7, please.
We got 2 cards going on.
What's up, everybody? We're back here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own, paint your own Christmas ornament. Okay, for this craft, all you need are some glass clear Christmas ornaments, some acrylic paint, a paper clip, glitter, it's optional, and a Dixie cup. So let's get to the first step. Now let's get this show on the road. Alright, to get started, I'm going to pick 3 crazy colors to put in my ornament. So I'm picking the gold, the light green, and the light orange. So you're going to take your cup and your ornament, you're going to take the top off, put it in your cup, and you're going to take whatever color you want to do first and pour like maybe not a lot, but enough to get it around. Make sure you put enough in your ornament so you can swirl around. I'm going to show you how to swirl it right now. So you're going to put your thumb over the lid, and then you're just going to shake it up like that, and you should hear it go everywhere. Sounds weird. But when you think it's ready, and just make sure you look everywhere, that one little spot every time. Okay. So when you have every spot covered, it should look something like this. And now after that, you're going to put it back in your cup, but you're going to turn it the other way so it drains out. The reason you flip over your ornament is that it drains all the extra paint so it can dry faster. We waited a couple hours to let it dry. So now we're gonna look at it and make sure it's dry. Looks pretty good. A lot in it. So now you're gonna take the same cap that you took off and just put it back on there. So you're gonna like pinch these in and just like somehow get it in there and push it down. It should go on. And that's the finished product. So now you have your colorful Christmas ornament to put on your tree. If you like this craft, give it a like and comment down below what other crafts you want me to do. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. Bye!